Hello, welcome again in this video. So today in this video, we'll discuss about how to calculate the square root of a number. In class 7 and 8, you know how to do how to calculate the square root of a number using long division method. And in this video, we'll also do that. Those who do not know, you can watch it. And also I'll explain you a easy trick so that you can calculate a approximate value of a number, the square root of a number. Okay, so let's discuss. So you know the process of how to calculate the square root of a number in long division method. Let us first find out. So suppose you want to find out the square root of a number 625. Okay, square root of a number 625. Now, if the last digit is 25, then easily you can find out, right? One trick is there, that also I will discuss. So you want to find out the square root of 625. How will you do? 625 bar, then bar, put a 0, right? Like that we start the division. So the first digit is 06. From the right side, you pair the numbers. Two numbers. This is two numbers. I paired from the. We'll start pairing from the right side. Don't pair from the left side. So we'll start pair from the right side. Right side 25, then 6. So a single number is there, so I can put a 0 to pair the number. Okay. Now whatever you will write here, same number you will multiply. So what can be the number? If you write 1 1 ja 1, very small. The 2 2 ja 4, again less than 6 it can be, but let us try with 3. So 3 3 ja 9. 9 is greater than 6. Okay, first two digits. So 3 cannot be. 3 is not possible. 3 can. So what you can write 2, and here also you will write 2 in the quotient. Now whatever the quotient is, whatever you are writing here, you will just add in the next step, and you will write 2 2 ja 4 here. So the remainder is 6 minus 4, that is 2. And at a time, the two numbers, one paired will come down at a time, not one by one. Okay. In our normal division, we bring one by one number. But here, in case of square root, always you have to use a pair. So this 25 will come down to 25, right? Now, what you will do? I told you whatever you have written here, you will add it. So the number is 4. Now again the same procedure you will follow. Whatever you will write here, okay, right side of 4, you will multiply that, and you will write here also. For example, let us check. So if I write 41 into 1, so 41 very less than 225. So I will not do that. So I'll try. If I write 43 and 3 4 ja 12, so it's also less. If I write 4, then 44 into 4 ja 4 4 160, 16 176, which is also less than 225. Let us try with 5 or 6. So 6 4 ja 224, 240, and 6 is 36. So 276. 276 is greater than 225. 276 is greater than 25. So 6 will not be. I cannot put 6 here. So which number I'll put? I'll try with 5. I have tried with 4, which is less. I tried with 6, which is greater than 225. Now I'll try 5. Let us see what happens. If I'll write 5, then it is 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25, and 5 4 ja 20. So 5 225. So I can write that's why 45, that is 5. Here I'll write 5. So here I'll write 5 and 5. So 2, 2, 5, 0 remaining. So if some numbers are there, okay, this is the end of the story. So root over of 625 is 25. If some more numbers are there, suppose another number 3, okay, then the thing will be different. Again, in the next step, what would you have done? So you will have to add 5 again. So 50 will come. Whatever the number will come here, you will add here. Okay. So this is the procedure to find the long division method. Okay. This is the method. This is the procedure to find the long division method. So you got that the square root of 625 is 25. Now shortcut method. Shortcut. Okay. Tricks method. So what is the tricks? 625. Will not do for 625. Let us do another number. Okay. Suppose let's calculate 30. Square root of 30. So what is this rule? Tricks rule. You will find the nearest number first, nearest perfect square. What is the nearest perfect square? Let's say 25. So 25 is 5 square. Okay. So I'll write 25 plus 5. Then what I'll do? 25 square root is 5 plus I'll write 5 and divided by double of this 5. Clear? Square root of 25 is 5. I'll double this 5 and I'll write here in the denominator. So 5 plus 0.5 approximately. This is approximately 5.5 will come. Let us check with the long division method whether we are getting 5.5 or not. 30. So both number at a time you can take. Okay. So it will come 5 5 25. Now 5 00 at a time double. Okay, everything will double paired. So point will come. Now 5 will add. This is 10. Okay. So what you can multiply? 5 if you multiply, then 5 it will be 5 5 25. 525 it will be. So it's greater than 50. 500. So it will be 4. 4 will be 5. So put 4 here. 4 4s are 16. Okay. And 4 1s are 4. So 416. Right? 416. Now 0. This is 4. This is 3. This is 3. This is 4. Okay. Let's see. This is so 10 minus 6 4 9 minus 6 84. So this is 84, right? So 84 you will add here 4 na. So when you will add here 4, this is 108. This is 108. Now again you will write 00. Okay, you will write 00. At a time you will write 00. Then you are getting, you can multiply with 8. What you will get? 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64. 670. Okay, 70. Okay. Then 8 1 is 8. 8 7. No. So it's not possible. 7 multiply with 7. It's greater than this one, na? 8400. So multiply with 7. 7 7 is 49. 4 7 8 is 56 4 67. So 7609. This is 1. This is 9 7. So 791. Then next step what you will do? You will add this 7. That is 4901. Okay. Then 00 will come. So here you'll put 7. So 5.47 and dot 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 means numbers are coming. It's not terminating. Terminate नहीं हो रहा, खत्म नहीं हो रहा, ठीक है? So it will go on. It's an irrational number. Okay. So 5.47. 5.47 is what? This is the square root of 30. Okay, up to 2 decimal numbers, it's 4.7, 5.47. So 5.47 is closely equal to, approximately equal to 5.5. You are getting right. Similarly, you can try with any number. Okay, you can try with any number. Suppose, for example, you will take square root of 80 or square root of 50. Square root of 50. The square root of 50 is 49 plus 1. Okay. So 49 is 7 plus 1 by, what will be the denominator? 7 into 2. 2 times of this number. 2 times of this number. 1 by 14. Okay. So this is 7 plus 1 upon 14. You can write, this is 14, 10, 100. So 0 point approximately 0.7 approximately. So approximately 7.07 is square root of 50. Now you can try with long division method and you can check that whether you are getting the same number or not. Okay, this is the last one we'll do. Then I think all of you are clear how to do this type of long division. Long division is a perfect method. Okay. Then I'll also tell if 25 is the last two digits of a number, then how will you find out the square root easily? So let us find out first root 50. Okay, so 50, you are doing it long division method. So two numbers are only, so both will go simultaneously. So 7, you have 49, 1, 00, you will add 7 here. Whatever number you are multiplying, you will add here. Okay, so this is 14. This point 200 is there, so I have written, I'm using a point. 1 point will come. So 14. If we put 1 also, it is more than 100. Okay, so what you will do, you have to bring 2 more 0. For that, you have to put a 0 here. Then what you can do, 140, let's say 8 into 8. 8 8 is 64, 6. 8 4 is 32, 6. 30, 8, 8 1 is 8, 11. Okay, so it's quite small. Acha. So what you can do, this is 140, yes, plus 0. So this is 140 will come, is 0. This step is 100, then 00. Okay, so you can do like this. This is now, let's say 8. So, or in this step also you can do, no issue. In this step also you can do 0, then you put a 0 here, then 00, then you will put it to the right side. Okay, so I had not used the 0 here. So 8, you will multiply, 8 8 is 64, 8 4 ja 32, 3, 8 1 ja 8, 3, 11. So 11, this 3 to 5, 3 to 5. So this is 11,264. This is 10,000. So it's greater than your greater than this number. 11,264 is greater than 10,000. So what you can do, 8 is not 8 means it's greater. So you will put 7. Let's put 7 and check. 7 7 ja 49, 7 4 ja 2 9. So 9 8 4 9 1. This is 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 8 1. Okay, so 151. So next again you can do it. Okay, so this is 9041 7714. Okay, now next step it will come again, 20 will come and you can do. Okay, so but at least we got 7.0, up to 2 decimal number we are getting correct. So next other numbers will come. Up to 2 decimal number we are getting that square root of 50 is 5.07 in our trick. Using the trick also you can calculate, and also here also you can see with a long division method we are getting the same number. Okay, now this is the last one I'll discuss. If the last 2 digits of a numbers are 25, then how can you calculate the square root easily? Okay, so let us do that. So if the last digits are 25, suppose first let us see if the last number is a 5, then how can you find a square? Then square root you can easily do that. Suppose you want to find the squares of 15. So 15 square is 225. So rule is just square of the last number. Square of the last number, that is 5 square is 25. Write the square of last number first. Then 1. The successor of 1 is 2. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 225. Means the number which is there except 5, you will find out the successor of that number. You will find the successor of that number and you will multiply successor with that number. Okay, for example, let us do another example. Let us do another. So one more example let us do. Suppose you are finding out 35 square. 35 square. So how will you do? Using our formula, 5 square is 25. The successor of this number or next number of this 3 is plus 1. 3 plus 1, that is 4. So 4 into 3, you will multiply this. Next number with this number, you will multiply. So the answer is 1225. So similarly, square of 45, 5 square, 25. Next number of 4, 5. 5 into 4, 20. 2025. Square of 55, 5. Next number of 5, 6. 6 into 5, 30. Easy. Now again, if the last number is 25, then how can you find out the square root? Just reverse the process. So how will you reverse the process? Suppose 71325. We cannot do like that. It should be in this form. Okay. So all the number which is ending with 25 we cannot do. It should be the multiplication. You have to divide with 5. Okay. So suppose for example the number is, suppose the rule is, suppose 5 6 7 7, suppose 4225. Okay, then 25 square root is 5 and if this number is a multiplication of two consecutive numbers, is it 7, 6 consecutive number? So the lowest number, it will be the square root of 4 to 7 to 5 is 65. You have to check if this number is a multiplication of consecutive two numbers, else it will not work. Okay, if the number is a multiplication of two consecutive numbers, for example, next 56 to 5 square root, easily you can do. Last number is 25, square root is 5. Okay, 56 is a product of two consecutive numbers, 7 and 8. 7, 8 is 56. So lowest number is 7, 75. You can find the square of 75 also using our rule. Square of 75 is 5 square 25. Then 7. Next number is 8. 8 into 7 is 56. So 56, 25 is square of this number. So you have to check whether this number is a multiplication of two consecutive number or not. If it is a multiplication of two consecutive number and last two digits are 25, then only you can find out the square root easily. Oh, okay. So these are the few tricks, but the long division method is the important one. You have to use the long division method to calculate any square roots. Okay. But if number is a small number, then you can easily or quickly use your tricks and you can find out the approximate value of a square root of a number. Okay. So thank you for this for today's video. Next class will come with some new concepts. Thank you.